Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Office 2024 Pro Plus directly from RecyCode and walk you through the purchase process, download steps, and how activation actually works. Before we jump in, let me explain what RecyCode is about. RecyCode was founded in 2025 with a clear mission to combat digital waste by making genuine software more affordable for personal and home use. They're a certified company specializing in official software like Office 2024, Windows 11, and other genuine licenses. So this is not cracked software, and it's not subscriptions. It's official software at a much more accessible price point. All right, so now I'm on RecyCode website and the official 2024 Pro Plus product page. Right away, the page is very clean and easy to understand. You can scroll through and see what's included, system capability, and general information about the product. I'm intentionally not focusing on pricing here, and I'm avoiding showing it on screen because prices change frequently. What I want you to see is how straightforward the process is. One thing I really like and want to point out is the live chat feature. You'll see this chat option right here on the side. If you have any questions at all before buying, during installation, or while activating, you can reach out instantly. That's a big plus, especially if you're not super technical or just want peace of mind. From what I've seen, their customer service is responsive and actually helpful. Now I'm going to click and move forward with the purchase. Again, I'm keeping the price off screen and focusing only on the process. The checkout flow is simple. No confusing steps, no unnecessary upsells. Once the purchase is complete, you'll receive your license details by email, along with clear instructions. The instructions are very easy to follow. Simply, you have to uninstall any old Office programs first before you do anything. After that, you install this new Office program, run it, and within minutes, it's set up and you have all your programs ready to go. Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote. After purchasing, you'll be able to download Office 2024 Pro Plus. I'm currently on Windows, so that's the version I'm showing here. Okay, so I'm going to fully install it here. I have everything already running. The process itself is very simple. You download the installer, run it, and follow the on-screen steps. During installation, there's nothing complicated. It's the standard Office setup that most people are already familiar with. You don't need advanced technical knowledge. You just follow the prompts and let it install. Once installation is complete, you move on to activation. Activation is straightforward. You enter the license key provided by RecyCode and Office activates normally. This confirms you're using a genuine version of Office 2024 Pro Plus. If you ever run into issues, this is where that live chat support comes in very handy. They're there to help you through it. So overall, RecyCode offers a really solid option for anyone looking to get official Office 2024 Pro Plus without paying full retail prices. The website is easy to use, the purchase process is smooth, and the software is genuine, and the customer service support is readily available. If you're looking for an affordable, genuine way to get Office for personal or home use, RecyCode is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.